Who do you like the best?
Adrian, the hiking sailor.
Perfect. And good day, everybody. Welcome back to the adventures of the hiking sailor. Arr. Yeah, it's getting old, isn't it? Anyways, this is my spring gearbox opening for Explore magazine. But before we start that, here's the updates of what's going on with me. I leave today for 10 days to visit my parents in Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. That's in the Midwest, above the Dakotas for the Americans in the South. And it's going to be a good time. As a surprise, my daughter's sneaking there too. She's taking an earlier flight, and it's going to surprise the blanket on my parents because they're not expecting her. They redid the house and everything too. So there's only one room ready. The other room's not ready, so I bought my AirPad and my sleeping bag along with me, just in case, inliner. After that, the end of May, I head off to the Funny Footpath Yo-Yo hike. That means it's a linear trail. I go A to B, back to A. With Thumper! You remember that old dude? Always making some Disney background stuff for everybody's amusement and old TV series as characters, stuff like that in the back of my videos all the time. But yeah, and then about 3 weeks later, 23rd of June, I start my southbound hike of the Appalachian Trail from Katahdin in Maine all the way through 14 states to Springer Mountain in Georgia. I am expecting great weather until I hit the last 3 states, and then it's going to be like it is right now, raining, because El Nino again, screwing up everything. But anyways, enough of that. So, Spring Box from Explore magazine. Overall, this box is not for hikers, it's mainly for campers, but they got some pretty cool stuff in there that I think Artemis on a Trail would like, one of them. So let's start, shall we? First item, oh, another mug. But not just any mug. This is the Camping French Press mug. You put your tea or your coffee stuff in there and you go squish and you pour it out into a cup. And there's your espresso, your French vanilla, your tea, whatever you want, all in one thing. Artemis. I think you would love this one. Again, that is the Camping French Press mug. Next, you have LED tent pegs. Battery operated. Come on, Explorer. Nobody likes using batteries anymore. Should have made these rechargeable. That would have been cool. But hey, you can light them out in your tent around. I don't know what the brightness is. I haven't tested them out. But this could be a good camping item. If you don't want to trip over lines at night or stuff if you're multiple campers in tents. Again, not a hiker thing, it's a camper thing. Now this is pretty cool. This is a Adventure Outdoor Solar LED Lantern. And it is rechargeable. There you go. That's a smart sucker. So, you can see that there. It actually folds out too, like a fan. Like it has 3 wings, has the solar panels on top, and the hook, and you charge it inside your tent or your big tent or your trailer, and you can either charge it or by solar charge. Personally, solar charging, it's not efficient yet. Like battery packs now, the bricks, 20,000 mAh. That's super fast charge, supercharged. And your phones are supercharged in an hour nowadays, the new phones, flagship ones. But solar, it's still not good. Next is yet another plate series. And you have a lot of containers and spoons and a drainer for macaroni, and a little container for your spices, butter, salt, whatever you want. So that is the Adventure Outdoors Picnic Kit. Again, campers. hikers is this. This is the same material as the bucket. This is a 5-gallon or 20-liter camp shower. Definitely not for a hiker. It's too big. But for a camper, which has no shower facilities, this is a great idea. It comes with a lot of other pieces, but again, this is the solar shower. Yeah, so I guess, yeah. So with this, you can put the water in, leave it in the sun, and it gets warmer. On my version with CNOC gravity filter system, I just pour 2 or 3 cups of hot water in there, a jet boil full, the rest cold water, and that's good enough for me. I made my own shower system out of my filter gravity system. Good idea, but most camping spots have showers. So it's good for campers again. Now, here's something cool. Honey stingers. Oh, I've been looking for these all over the place. Like this sucker, one biscuit here, gives you 140 calories, gives you a whole bunch of sodium, carbohydrates, saturated fats. But that's what you need on your hike, right? These are the energy booster, but hopefully they are better than the Cliff Bars. I'll find out. I'll test this on the Fundy Footpath. Thank you, Explore. Okay, another one I did is the Perico Sensations. This is a refresh and revitalize with this tasty energy booster from Perica. Mixing coffee, cocos, smoothies, or hot water. Flavors vary. I'm going to try it. It's full of mushrooms too. I guess mushrooms are good for you? I have no idea. But I'm going to test this again on the Funny Footpath. Thank you, Explore. And of course you come with the Explore magazine. Make sure you take this magazine out and take a picture with it because that's usually one of the contests. I browsed through it already. It's not bad. And this is a golden outdoor camping map, hiking trails, whole shebang. That was just thrown in there. And finally, what I want to talk to you guys about is I have applied to become an Explore magazine ambassador. Now, if I have a strong following on Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, or other social media platforms, and are excited to film short videos that take photos about the Explorer experience, then we'll share your content with our audience across North America. Total, I have 4,000 followers / subscribers. They want 10,000, but with your help, maybe you can go to exploremagazine.com and send an email to the editors and say, take the hiking sailor, man. I got a 14-year hiking plan, and yeah, all over North America. Hopefully I'll be doing all 3 trails in both directions to get the double triple crowner. And then I'll try and get the triple crowner of the Appalachian Trail, which means to me, northbound, southbound flip-flop. Yeah. And then a cycling loop in North America when I'm 65. If I'm able to do it. But yeah, Explore Magazine, I'd be the perfect ambassador for you guys. Okay, now it's time for my updates coming up. I still have 3 Appalachian Trail videos, day 3, 4, and 6. I accidentally uploaded day 5 out of sequence. People love it. I have 2 Instagram updates that'll get done when I'm going to Saskatoon. And I will get those 3 AT videos done in the next 10 days. Okay, and now it's my favorite time of the video, my shoutouts. First shoutout is Amy and John's. Day 1 is uploaded. They just started, obviously. They met Lamplighter, and oh, Lamplighter, I hope you're doing okay. He's having some problems. I don't know what they are, but let's hope he's doing good. They started day 1, and they started from the parking lot. So they hiked a mile to Springer, and a mile back. And they reached Hawk Mountain. Amy has a T-band problem right now, so we'll see how they do tomorrow. They have big goals, big plans, but on the AT, that changes every day, right? Take it slow and easy at the beginning, everybody. Don't push your body, because your body's not ready yet. Second one is Outdoor Adventures. He's just uploaded episode 14. I haven't really followed him a lot. I have watched 2 or 3 of them, but I'm just too busy doing nothing during retirement. But he's very, very good to watch. I enjoy watching his videos, and he's a very nice person to watch. The next one is my favorite, Miss Janet on Hiker TV. She's uploaded her 3rd video. And in this video, she's meeting hikers. I don't know which year, but I'm presuming this year. And she asked them to do a 30-second dance. And hum it, sing it. And the last one is Hiking with Arrow. That's Rachel and her dog Arrow. They are on episode 4. And they're refreshing to watch. I'm enjoying that series too. So those are my 4 shoutouts. That's Amy and John, Outdoors Adventures, Hiker TV with Miss Janet, and then Hiking with Arrow. That's it. Oh, I forgot. The other item in the gearbox is this lovely hat. Wanderer. It has the mesh backing, so not like the full caps that got the Lazy Hiker one's just a full panel, eh? This one has half mesh, which should help with heat, I guess. So yeah, love this hat. So my favorite things from the Explorer gearbox is the hat, is the honey stingers, these sensations, the foldable solar lantern, which is really cool. Those are my favorite ones. And don't forget, help me get sponsored by Explorer Magazine to be on their sponsorship program. That's it, everybody. Have a good day and happy trails from the Great White North. And yes, I still have 8 feet of snow outside.